We're back for some more vacuuming. What are we gonna do today? Huh, Logan? More of your mess I gotta vacuum up? Now we're doing the stairs. A lot of stairs. Stairs there. There's even more stairs down to the basement. Get to that later. These stairs going upstairs. Back up to the bedroom. You. Alright, you gonna get some more hair on there before I vacuum it? Alright, get up there. Go on. Let's see the before and after. Alright, here's the before. See all that hair? Look at this. Freaking hair all over the place. Hair in there. I don't even know what that is. Hair all over the place. Yeah. There's hair over here. Steps in the grooves. Oh man, it never ends with you and your freaking hair, huh? Various debris. Alright. Gonna use the hose this time. Oh man. This hose. Alright, let's turn it on. Is that a leaf? Get out of here. Random nonsense. Oh boy. All this crap out of here. Let's get this stuff. Side. Oh, I gotta do all that up there too. Oh, it never ends. Oh, I need to hire a maid. Alright. Alright, let's see. Is that any good? Let's see there. Oh no, there's some hair left. But got most of it. Got most of it. Let's see, how's the canister looking? Look at all that crap. Just emptied it like 5 minutes ago. It's almost half full already. Oh boy. Alright. Gotta continue up. Well, that's it for one flight of stairs. Whew. Might have to take a nap first. I don't know. Alright, see you later.